Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review, and today in this video I like to share you guys Google Pixel 9 Pro XL camera test after 5 months. The Pixel 9 Pro XL come with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with a 42 megapixel single selfie camera. At first talk about the video, you can record highest 8K 30 fps video, and you also record 4K 24 fps 30 fps and 60 fps video. 1080p you also record 24 fps 30 fps 60 fps 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS. And I am recording 4K 60 fps video and the video quality is good. By the way, this is smartphone long time full review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And I am also doing a camera comparison video between Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Xiaomi 14. As for this score marking, this smartphone camera is second position. Alright, let's now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a excellent photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness excellent. By default the smartphone taking a 12 megapixel, but you can select 50 megapixel. And we are also know that Pixel give you always natural picture, no color boost and no color effect. So that's why some people don't like Google Pixel photos. Now let's talk about the 48 megapixel ultra wide picture sample. 48 megapixel ultra wide you also take a great picture, has main camera, all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness excellent. And as you can see that all the images look too much natural and very beautiful. Especially I like this smartphone portrait picture, but the camera don't take the picture with the telephoto lens, is still taking a main camera. You can get 1.5x and 2x optical zoom. So this is one of the biggest negative side from Google. So now talk about the picture quality. You can take a excellent portrait no matter when you taking day, night, low light, every timing this smartphone give you best result. And the smartphone also have a lot of AI features like base tag, add me features, magic eraser. Overall the camera quality is excellent. Now let's talk about the night photography. Google are very famous for night photography for its night mode. Our night photography user experience is awesome. All the image color correction and sharpness is excellent. This smartphone taking a natural picture, so it give you always accurate color and details full image. And here is the 42 megapixel selfie camera. It give you always accurate color and natural picture. So overall the camera quality is excellent. So if you're looking for a best camera smartphone, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is still a great choice. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.